very video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to design a product package on Android phone using Pixellab and Picsart. So I already made the design free. The link, check the description for the download link there. So this is the exact size I'm using. So I'm going to save this design. Just choose the Ultra J so that it will be very clear. So after saving, you open Picsart. The download link for Picsart is on my description section there. So when you open Picsart, you click on the add button, then scroll down and select color background down there. Just choose the white background. Then under there, you select add photo, then select the file, this file here. The link is on my description section there. So you press OK, increase the size anyhow you like it, just increase the size to how you like. Then you click on the OK button, then click on add photo again. This is where you now add the file you saved from Pixellab, the one you designed from Pixellab. Increase it so it fits all size. Just increase the scale like this a little bit. It's okay now. Then you now go to blend. Let's go to blend. Select overlay. Yes, you should be okay. Then press OK. Then now scroll down to adjust. I want to use the reason I'm using the adjust is just to bring out the color very clear. Using the adjust section there, it increases the brightness, like it makes it look very vivid. You can see, increase the brightness. Saturation does most of this work, so using the saturation button does most of it. Then you press the OK button after you've gotten your desired texture. Then you click on the save button there, the upper side there, to save your work. Click on the save to your phone memory. That is very simple. Look at how it is now, so neat and realistic. So it is another way you mock up using Picsart. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.